How can we fix Move to iOS transfer interrupted in an efficient manner? Check out this video to learn the workable solutions and a great alternative to the tool. Part 1. Fix Move to iOS transfer interrupted in 6 optional ways. Fix 1. Leave your devices aside when transferring data. When the transfer is interrupted using Move to iOS, it's best to ensure no activity on your devices. That is, you don't use the phones and turn on the screens. Fix 2. Check the internet connection. In case the network isn't as stable or strong as expected to support the app, you can switch to another one by going to your phone settings and clicking WLAN. Then just connect to a dependable Wi-Fi. Fix 3. Disable Smart Network Switch on Android. While using Move to iOS, the transfer was interrupted because of the Smart Network Switch, which was reported by many mobile users. The speed of the network may stay unstable when it is enabled. Fix 4. Close apps running in the background. Some apps running in the background may occupy your data traffic and thus slow down your phone's performance. So, you can now close some of them or delete temp files on Android to optimize the phone before trying Move to iOS again. Fix 5. Turn on airplane mode. Many users tend to get their devices into the Do Not Disturb mode to avoid any unnecessary calls, prompts, or other bugs. You can do it by turning on the airplane mode from Android settings or the notification tray. Fix 6. Restart your Android device. Well, how do I fix Move to iOS transfer interrupted in the easiest way? Just try to restart your Android phone. Part 3. Use the best Move to iOS alternative. Mobikin Transfer for Mobile. Mobikin Transfer for Mobile. This ingenious program assists in steadily moving data across devices, irrespective of the operating systems they are on.